episode of the Help Desk Tech. Today we're going to take a look at how to add memory to the Dell OptiPlex 3020. Alright, let's get started. So the very first thing that you will need to do is turn off the computer and disconnect all the cables from the computer. Place the computer on a desk in a well-lighted area. On the back of the computer there are two screws that you will need to loosen, but they will not come off the panel. Slide the panel back and set it aside. Some workstations do not have a CD drive, but it does have a plastic plate that you will need to remove. The hard drive and the CD-ROM drive each have two cables. Now you want to remove the cables from the hard drive and the CD-ROM drive. And then you want to follow the instructions on the cover and remove the CD drive or plate by lifting the tab and sliding the drive back. Now you can remove the cables and set the CD drive aside. Slide the lock and remove the hard drive and the bracket. And set that aside. Now move the cables so that you can see the slot where the memory is going to be inserted. Open the package and remove the memory, but don't touch the gold tabs. When inserting the memory, make sure it aligns with the slot. You want to move the locks on the side outward and push the memory into the slot until the locks clamp in onto the memory. Now you may need to put a little bit of force. Make sure that the tabs go into the memory. Put the drive back into the computer, but make sure these tabs go into the proper slots. Set the cables to the side so that they don't get caught, and then slide the blue lock so it will lock the drive in place. Insert the cables for the hard drive. Now insert the CD drive or the plastic panel if the computer doesn't come with a CD drive. Make sure it locks in place and place the cables back onto the CD drive. Alright, that's pretty much it. Now place the panel back on the computer and tighten the screws. Now you can connect all your cables back onto the computer and start it up.